Hello friends and welcome to CS Passionate. In this video we are going to learn about echo function to print single or multiple statements at the same time onto the browser. So let's start with the code. Here I have already started with the XAMPP control panel and Apache web server. So let me just close it, and even I have already started my browser and notepad editor as well. So let's start with the code. I open my PHP script and just use echo function. Right now we are going to learn echo function with a single statement, so I use hello. Let me save this file. Here I save this file with the name demo_echo.php. Okay, I saved this file successfully, and now let me open the browser. And when we enter the URL and refresh the page, or we can see just execute the script. After the execution of the script, you can find this output hello world over here. So this is demo echo function. This is the demo echo file and echo function. Okay, as I have said that echo function is used to print single or multiple statements at the same time. So here we see the single statement. Okay, check the code. This is the single statement, but if I want to add one more statement, then I can use the comma, give one more argument. Let me write like welcome to the world PHP, and save this. Just press Ctrl S and just refresh your browser. Okay, you can find us the hello world and welcome to the world of PHP both at the same time. So we can say that echo function can accept n numbers of arguments at the same time, right? Okay, let me do some more experiments, such as if I want to embed vr tag, then even you can find this and add one more statement. Let us add one more statement over here. Is a server-side scripting language. Now just press Ctrl S and just refresh the page. You can find the entire line over here, right? So this is the use of echo function. Okay, you can find this code over here. This is the use of echo function. Echo function is used to print single or multiple statements at the same time. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.